Presented to you by the Cassette Master. For your documenting pleasure are two vintage breadboards with vintage breadboarded circuits. Now, I can't say that these things will be functional in their current state because there are some parts that have been removed in the past. But there may have been a chip right here, which is no longer there. But I had scored a whole bunch of electronics. Something to make Dave Jones's mouth water on the EEV blog. But anyway, I'm going to, of course, be removing all these parts and using these breadboards. Of course, cleaning the breadboards up as well. So I wanted to document how they were before. I remove all the parts. This breadboard has probably been in its current state since the mid to late 1990s, judging by the date codes on the chips, which are from 1996, I think. Yes, 1996. This one's chip's date codes are from late 1989, so the possibility exists that this circuit may have been in its current configuration since probably very late 1989 or possibly 1990 at the earliest. It's an old Global Specialties powered project board, or the Proto board model 203A. Fixed plus and minus 15 volts and fixed 5 volts. I'm considering upgrading this breadboard to be variable on the 15 volt outputs and still fixed at 5 volts. I'll also be taking still pictures with my camera for myself of these boards. Several still pictures. And marking which chips were used. The chip at the top of it is an LTC 1040CN. The same applies for the middle chip. Chip at the bottom is a TLC558CP. And this one here is a 74HC00, just a quad NAND gate. Now let's see what chips are used on this one. One at the top is a DM8601N. The middle one's a 7404 hex inverter. This bottom one is blank at the top. It's probably labeled at the bottom. It's also in a ceramic package. You could tell something would have been right here too. But anyway, these are nice breadboards, and I'm going to be cleaning these all up and using them for regular breadboard use. I hope you enjoyed this video, presented to you by Northern Cassette Master Productions.